The major wood rot repairs are complete, but rebuilding the damaged wood is only part of the restoration process. Now the repaired areas need to be shaped and finished so they blend back into the original structure. The process begins by sanding the repaired wood and carefully recreating the original profile. This removes high spots, refines the shape, and prepares the surface for the final finishing work. Next, WRP Topping Compound is applied over the major repairs. The topping compound helps fill minor surface imperfections and creates a smooth, workable surface that can be shaped to match the surrounding wood. Attention to this stage is important because the goal isn't simply to fill the damaged area, it's to restore the original form of the structure as closely as possible. Once the topping compound has cured, it can be painted directly, or sanded first if additional shaping or surface refinement is needed. And here is the finished restoration. Areas that had suffered severe wood rot have now been rebuilt, shaped, finished, and painted to blend back into the existing structure. Instead of removing and replacing the entire assembly, the damaged wood was restored in place. That's what WRP Wood Restoration Products is designed to do. Restore more, replace less.